In this video, we'll take a look at the number of lone pairs for SO4 2-. This is the sulfate ion. So we start with a valid Lewis structure, and you'll notice that the sulfur here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of electrons. These are bonding electrons. They're connecting the sulfur and the oxygen. So that's more than an octet. Sulfur is an exception to the octet rule, so it can have more than 8 valence electrons, so that's okay. So for the central sulfur atom here, there aren't any lone pairs, also called unbonded pairs of electrons. All of these electrons here, they're involved in chemical bonds. They're bonding the sulfur and the oxygen atom. So there are no lone pairs for the sulfur. For oxygens, this oxygen with the single bond has 1, 2, 3 lone pairs, just like this oxygen down here with the single bond. The double bonded oxygen has 1, 2 lone pairs. So this one's the same over here. So that's how you find the number of lone pairs, also called unbonded pairs of electrons, for the sulfate ion, SO4 2-. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.